दोस्तों, प्रजातंत्र की जो आज जीत हुई उस पर एक संक्षिप्त वक्तव्य देने के लिए कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष और हम सब के नेता राहुल जी आपके बीच में हैं। कृपया शांति का दान रखिए। आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी।
Good afternoon. How are you? All well. Did you notice that after the entire exercise in the Vidhan Sabha in Karnataka, the BJP legislators and the speaker chose to get up and leave the house before the national anthem? Did you notice that? Right? You all noticed that. And in a way, this is what we are fighting today. The idea that you can rubbish every single institution in this country, you can disrespect anybody in this country simply because you happen to be in power. And this is something that the BJP does and the RSS does again and again and again. There is no institution in this country that is worthy of the respect of the Prime Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and the RSS. And they believe that every single institution can be destroyed and stepped upon by them. They disrespect the mandate of the people of Karnataka. They disrespect the mandate of the people of Goa. They disrespect the mandate of the people of Manipur, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. And I'm very proud to say that they have been shown that in India, power is not everything. In India, money is not everything. In India, corruption is not everything. In India, the will of the people is everything. And I would like to give my best wishes to the people of Karnataka, thank the people of Karnataka, give my best wishes to all our party members, all our party leaders, my best wishes to Mr. Devgowda, his party members and leaders for defending what is much more than simply the election of Karnataka. They have explained to the people, and we have explained to the people in the BJP and the RSS, that there are limits to your arrogance, there are limits to how you are trying to run this country. And I hope the BJP and the RSS learn a lesson from this, that the institutions of this country, the will of the people of this country, cannot be disrespected. I also would like to tell my media friends that you have seen openly right in front of you, and especially youngsters in this country, you have seen openly right in front of you how the Prime Minister has authorized, directly authorized the buying, purchasing of MLAs in Karnataka from our party and from the JDS. So the idea that Mr. Prime Minister spreads around the country that he is fighting corruption is a blatant lie. He is corruption. He is doing everything to subvert this nation, and he is doing it across the board. There are phone conversations of MLAs being attempted to be purchased by the BJP, and that is directly authorized from Delhi. So this is what I wanted to tell you. I'm very proud that the opposition has stood together and defeated the BJP, and we will continue to do so. थोड़ा मैं हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ. देश की जनता ने टेलीविजन पे देखा कि कर्नाटक की विधानसभा में नेशनल एंथम होने से पहले, बजने से पहले बीजेपी के जो मेंबर्स थे, स्पीकर थे, वो उठ के चले गए. ये उनकी एक निशान है कि वो हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन को, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट हो, विधानसभा हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन की इज्जत नहीं रखते हैं। और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है कि आज बीजेपी को, प्रधानमंत्री जी को, मर्डर अक्यूज्ड अमित शाह जी को देश ने दिखाया है कि इस देश के इंस्टीट्यूशंस आपसे बड़े हैं, आपके पैसे से बड़े हैं, आपके पावर से बड़े हैं। खुलेआम प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, अमित शाह जी ने कांग्रेस पार्टी और जनता दल के लेजिस्लेटर्स, एमएलएस को खरीदने की कोशिश की है। टेप रिकॉर्डिंग्स सबके सामने है। प्रधानमंत्री जी भ्रष्टाचार की बात करते हैं, मगर सच्चाई है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ा रहे हैं और एक प्रकार से प्रधानमंत्री भ्रष्टाचार हैं।